What's up, everybody? We're Carlos here, back again with another video. So, welcome back to part 2 of building a clothing brand from the ground up. Today we got some more equipment that we needed. This mainly has to do with like setup. This is the current setup right here. I got this little desk, a drawer there, got my guitar over there that I don't know how to play, got the computer there. And so basically I'm trying to set up the whole entire operation in that corner, including the heat press. Boom, right here. We got this L-shaped desk. I'm hoping that that's gonna be able to carry the computer, the vinyl cutter, and the heat press, and a label printer, and both speakers. I don't know how this is gonna work. I'm not too good at building things, I'm not gonna lie. When I was building stuff for my baby, it's taking me like a whole day, so let's see how it goes. Here it is, the instructions.
You're gonna need those.
Don't you guys just love these? Check it out. This is the first time I'm seeing this color. Actually, this is the first time I'm seeing this desk because my wife actually picked, I told her, I said, I need an L-shaped desk that's this big, and she went and got it. And this is the color she chose. Now, is this essential to building a brand? Not really. You don't need a desk. You don't need an office area. You can use a fold-up table. You can do it on the ground. Actually, I don't know if you could do it on the ground because of all the heat. Look it up. Maybe you can do it on the ground. I have no idea. And I'm so excited to get started on this brand. But we gotta cover these bases first because this is how we want to set it up. We want to make sure we have a little area so we can be productive. You know? So after about 30 minutes unboxing this thing and like measuring and everything, guys, it's the wrong desk. The wrong size. We need bigger, thicker. And so guess what? Amazon, I'll return this to you because this is not what we expected. Now we need to search for another desk, which is gonna take another little while, which is gonna delay the process because I can't do anything with that area over there yet. But it's all good, because we still legally have to get this company registered and everything. So I just received the vinyl cutter. Finally, we're starting to get some pieces together. In the last clip, I was showing you guys the desk that my wife had ordered, and turns out the desk was not gonna work for us. So we decided that we're just gonna return it. There it is, everybody. We got the Cricut Explorer 2. We actually got a bundle. So the reason I got a bundle is because if you buy everything that you need separately, it was going to be way more expensive, and I had like a really good deal when I got it. So this comes with like the little cutter, the stuff where you put the actual like vinyl on so that you can, I guess, you can weed it. I think that's what it's called, when you weed it. So it has like that. It has like a few vinyls on there too, so that I can mess around and like practice and play with it. Check it out. So we got this little board. I think this is something where you put the stickers on and then it like stays there and you cut it. We got some instructions, which I'm probably not gonna use because I normally don't ever read instructions on things. I'm just kind of a plug and play. So as you can see, that is the Cricut Explorer 2. You got it in that color because that's the only color that they had available for this little bundle pack. This like cuts out on like, it has like a few things. Vinyl, like iron-on vinyl, paper, poster board, that's pretty cool. Bonded fabric, cardstock, which I feel like is like thicker paper maybe. Light cardstock. So I'm not sure what that is, but it cuts that. So I feel like most of the community of like people that use like the Cricut community, I feel like a lot of them do more like home crafting, and like they make those Starbucks cups and you know they paste the stickers on there and everything like that. I haven't really seen anybody with like a actual clothing brand use this. Maybe that's for a reason, I have no idea, but I was like, you know what, it's in my budget for now. I'm gonna go ahead and get it. I'm gonna give this a shot. Also, let me show you guys what else it came with. So here it is, guys. This is a little bundle. So it comes with like the weeding tools and like this. I guess you kind of use it like to take out all the bubbles and stuff. Not too sure what this is yet. Maybe it's just a cover for the scissors. It came with these like 3 sample everyday iron-on. What is this? Transfer tape. Oh, it's just transfer tape. I don't know what exactly that's for. Again, I'm super new at this. This is like a mat, so I guess it just comes with red, black, and white. I'm not sure. It comes with like a little knife right here. Not bad. And then this is the other cutter thing that I was telling you guys about. All right, everybody. So that was a Cricut unboxing. Now for the next video, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be making a shirt. I'm just waiting for the shirts to come in so that I can go ahead and make some samples for you guys. We're gonna be playing around with this machine right here. I got it set up right there. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Peace.